What's up, my gorgeous geeks? It's Cashin here with Escape the Snowstorm. Let's begin. Alright. Oh god, okay, so we got some, ooh. Okay, so we got that. Can I take you? Yes, I can. Alright. Oh, sweet. So much. Right there. Got you. You're stuck. Okay. What else? Can I... No. No. Okay. Let's see here. Got everything there. Ooh, what about that? Does that work? Yeah? No? Okay, what is... Can't put metal in the microwave. Thank you for letting me know, game. I'm glad you're there to help me out whenever I need it. Ooh, okay, that did something. Cool. Okay, that's not doing anything. Pretty sure I can. I mean, you're not supposed to, but pretty sure I could totally do it if I wanted to. Need something else. Need something else. Okay. Okay, nope. I thought I could use that nail to maybe break the glass. I feel like I need this to get undone, but I don't. Oh, please tell me this works. Oh my god. Okay. That makes perfect sense. So we're going to microwave. So the log is too damp. Let's microwave it. That is... Is it like magically fine now? Yes, it is. Can I throw this in there? Yes, I can. There we go. Wow. Okay, so that's a thing. Alright. What is this? Okay, that doesn't work. What about you? I don't even know what the hell that is. Ooh, there we go. Awesome. Okay, that doesn't work. What about you? Yes. Okay, cool. I can take both of you. What about... No. What about... There we go. Awesome, awesome. Then let's move you here, okay? No. What about this? What is this? I don't even know what the hell this is. Oh, is that tape? This whole time, was that supposed to be tape or something? What about this? Did I do it? Boom! 321. Hell yeah. Okay, so that's it. That was the game, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Check out some of these others I've done, and I will see you guys in the next one.